Need to get free donation button in Please Donate? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can get it. Start by moving into any of the web browser and then head over to the site roblox.com. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Now tap on Create at the top of the screen. Once you're in this page, click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. Head over to Creations. Now click on your experience that you have made. And then click on Get Started. Now scroll down and you'll get to see the option where it says Create a Pass. Click on it. Now you can choose any of the images that you want to add. Once done, enter the name and description. Once you have entered the name and description, tap on Create Pass. Once the pass has been created, now simply move into the pass that you have just created. It will be landing you on space. Now tap on this three horizontal line. Click on Cells. Now you have to put this on for sale. Once done, tap on Save Changes. Once it has been sold out, you will be able to get a free donation button and then you'll be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.